a chance to check out some of our other training drills. One of those training drills gives us instruction on how to go from double knee to explorer to slacker. Today we're going to learn how to reverse that. So you go from slacker to explorer to double knee, creating one flow that you can go from one side all the way to the other, back down, back to the other side. Here's what it'll look like on the ground. Slacker stance, putting the weight into this leg, bending the knee, taking the free leg, tracing down the line. Again, keeping that weight forward until you find a comfortable knee position, rotating, pivoting out to exposure. We're in explorer now. From there, we're going to shift the weight to this left knee, bringing the right knee to the line for double knee. Now we've already learned how to go up, so we'll just go up to the other side. Explorer, double knee, to explorer, to slacker. Now we reverse it. Slacker, tracing, 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 moving slow, finding good knee position. Explorer, double knee. Take this to the line. Before we do, I'd like to offer some formal instruction at our SLACKROBATS tutorials for all three of these static poses that I would recommend trying before we bring it to the line in this flow. Starting in slacker stance. Slight bend in the knee. Shoulders slightly move forward. Taking the free leg, tracing down the line after you get all the sand off. Okay? Moving slow, breathing, finding a comfortable position on that knee, rotating out to exposure in explorer. Shifting the weight to the left knee, bringing the right knee to line for double knee exposure. Now we've already learned how to go up, so we're going to go up to the other side. Shifting the weight, explorer, slacker. Now we reverse it. Slight bend in the knee, lean forward, trace, trace, trace. Rotating out, shifting the weight to the right side, bringing the left knee. Now we're in double knee. Come down, rest when you need to, stay up as long as you need to now too as well, because now you can stay up going from one side to the other, from one side to the other. A great training drill. Please send us your progress. We really want to see it. SLACKROBATS, Facebook, and Instagram. Great place to send it where we can check it out and keep up with it. Until next time, slackers, keep training.